Hello, my name is Emmanuel Katrakis. I'm the Secretary General of EuRIC, the European Recycling Industry Confederation, which is the organization representing the recycling industries in Brussels at European level. We are a partner of Metabuilding, which is a Horizon 2020 project aiming at fostering a cross-sectoral and cross-border ecosystem for innovation in the construction and building sector. And for us, it's extremely important to be part of that project in order to bring also the perspective of the circular economy in a very large waste stream, namely construction demolition waste, which accounts more or less for 35% of the total waste generated at European level. And we very much look forward to work with the other partners of Metabuildings to bring the challenges and the opportunities of the circular economy in the construction and building sector, and especially in relation to the recyclability of materials which are being used, and also the incorporation of recycled materials into new constructions. So we very much look forward to further engage with all the different partners and stakeholders to have a successful Metabuilding project. Thank you.